Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nether Hub updated. Start by choosing a central coordinate that aligns with your overworld waypoints and nearby portals. Lay out a simple X grid with clear axes and mark portal offsets at consistent increments. Use standardized materials so each corridor feels uniform. Add lighting and signage to guide travelers. Finally, test each portal connection and adjust coordinates until links are reliable and efficient. For the design, pick durable and cohesive materials to keep the hub looking intentional and resistant to ghast blasts. Plan corridors with 3-block height and at least 2-block width to allow safe passage and simple minecart fits. Incorporate redundant routes for key destinations to avoid congestion. Add aesthetic touches like archways or color-coded banners for quick recognition while preserving efficient geometry and clear navigation. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great to keep by your keyboard so you do not forget to hydrate between long building sessions. I linked the bottle and other deals in the description, so check there if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place portals using precise coordinate conversion to ensure overworld destinations map correctly in the Nether. Build platforms at converted coordinates with protective walls to prevent accidental falls into lava or enemy spawn zones. Maintain clear spacing between portals and add small buffer rooms to prevent portal takeover or accidental pairings. Label each portal with destination names and verify connections by traveling back and forth until each link is consistent and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.